these two oil tanks named the refined oil tanks. Firstly, we should add hot water to the oil tanks. Please notice there will be little P acid in the hot water to remove the gum from the oil. Secondly, as we know, there will some free fatty acid in the crude oil. So secondly, we add some alkali liquid to the oil tank to neutralize with the FFA to remove the free fatty acid. So until now, the degumming and the acidification will be finished during these two oil tanks. After the oil tanks finish working, the oil will flow into this hole and to the next decolorization pot to achieve decolorization aim. Thirdly, during the decolorization pot, this pot we adopt a vacuum system, and during the vacuum system, the white clean will be pumped into the oil tank to finish the aim of decolorization. Why this tank can achieve decolorization? Because the white clean can absorb the pigment in oil. And finish the decolorization, the oil will be pumped into the final oil tank. This tank named the deodorization tank. Finally, the deodorization aim can be achieved during this pot. As we know, there will be odors in the crude oil so that the crude oil smells not good, so we need to remove the odors from oil. We adopt a vacuum system and the direct steam into the oil tank to remove the odors. At the same time, about 0.5% water can be dehydration in such high temperature. Please notice this pot material is stainless steel material because if you use cast steel material and carbon steel material, the oil will not be healthy for people. And this is steam generator for producing steam for the deodorization pot and the decolorization pot. Until now, the whole refinery process is finished.